prop.
System test. Okay.
Go back to your bridging for sure, selected.
118.525.
Board standard left-hand traffic only. Runway
That's
03,
Jill.
calm when landing. 21 preferred takeoff, pilot's discretion.
Sedona Airport. Automated weather observation. 1648 Zulu. Weather. Wind. 170.4. Visibility. 10. Clear.
Approximately 14 miles to the northwest. We'll be coming in for the GPS to runway 3. Sedona traffic, please advise. Sedona traffic, Challenger 579 Foxtrot X-ray is setting up for an 8-mile final for runway 3. We're descending out of 8,800.
So that's a jet, and he's coming in, so we're going to let him land first.
Okay.
So we're going to take off 2-1, but he's going to come in this way.
Yeah.
That's what all the regulars do.
Okay.
Which ain't me.
Or maybe you should stay.
But he might have to taxi all the way to the end. He's a jet. He's going to probably use all the runway. So I'm going to do the run up here. Sedona traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Gulf, India Lima Gulf is holding off on the apron for incoming traffic.
Challenger 579 Foxtrot X-ray, about 2-mile final for runway 3, Sedona.
So we got time. So as soon as the jet lands there,
Off we go. Yeah.
Sedona traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Gulf, India Lima Gulf is lining up on runway 21. Okay, nobody coming in on final. Making calls. Sedona traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Gulf, India Lima Gulf, doing intermediate departure, runway 21.
Sedona Traffic Caravan Explorer 7 is approximately 10 miles to the south. We're going to enter the
Get up this
45
side.
left downwind runway 21, Sedona.
Wow.
Sedona traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Golf Indy Lima Golf is just off runway 21. We're going to be making a right-hand departure and northbound Indy Lima Golf. Show traffic. Zoom out. Zoom out.
Yeah, Sedona Traffic Caravan Explorer 7 is final, runway 21, full stop, Sedona.
He's landing runway 21.
Should tell him. 3-man.
Oh, you turned on the thing. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Forgot that. Should add that to my checklist. So, see that triangle there?
Yeah.
That jet way up there at 23,000 feet above us.
Wow.
Sedona traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Golf Indy Lima Golf is at 7 miles to the northwest, and we're northbound. Sedona traffic, Indy Lima Golf. Alright, we're almost done our climb. No terrain in our vicinity except for just that guy.
Big one.
Big one.
Grand Canyon Airport information, India 1654 Zulu, wind 2207, visibility 10, sky clear below 12,000, temperature -1, viewport -4, altimeter 3020.
Oh wow. We've already passed Flagstaff. Flagstaff's out there.
Wow.
At your 4 o'clock.
Explorer 3, Canyon Tower, wind
18 miles.
0705, eastbound departure approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Show flight plan. Alright, so 20 minutes, 43 miles. Oh, still doing 124 knots ground.
Plane up there.
Wow. That's a jet. Grand Canyon, northbound 11.5. But you know what? I'm going to do a slow climb to 11.5. Grand Canyon Village is just out there. Wow.
Trump 11, wind at 240 at 7. Right downwind departure approved, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Runway 21, clear for takeoff, stop on 1, here we go.
So yeah, splitting it down, looping. There's our little dragon corridor. So it'll let me go into the blue boxes. So weather at Page, 060 at 3, 10 miles. A few clouds at 4,600. So little tiny puffy ones.
Last calling Canyon Tower 119.0, say again.
Yeah, that's Cessna Cardinal, Golf, Indy Lima Golf. We just want to give you a heads up, we'll be transitioning just to the west of your airspace for the VFR corridor at 11.5.
Golf India Lima Golf, Canyon Tower, roger, thanks. Canyon altimeter 3021.
3021 for Indy Lima Golf, and we'll stay out of your zone. Grand Canyon traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Golf, Indy Lima Golf at 11.5. We're just passing the key, and we're going to be northbound through the Dragon Corridor. Cessna Cardinal, Golf, Indy Lima Golf at 11.5. So in a couple minutes, we're going to be making a turn in the Dragon Corridor. So we'll basically be heading in that little valley up there.
Nice.
We'll just skim by some nice little clouds. I'll still listen to the tower guy for a bit.
Yeah.
Okay, there's one called Cash 85.
Cardinal Golf, India Lima Golf, Canyon Tower. You still up?
That's affirmative. This is India Lima Golf.
Charlie India Lima Golf. The traffic is a flight of 2 text-ins ahead and to your left. Altitude indicates 11,600 northbound.
Okay, I see call sign Cash 85 there, so that should be them. A couple T6 Texan trainers. Texan 2s. So they're like way faster. Reserve.
Oh, they're at our altitude.
Yeah, they're on the edge. They should be at our height, but 3 miles in front of us. Up there way faster, so they're not going to be an issue.
Roger, thanks.
Holy.
What's your time frame in there?
Grand Canyon traffic, Cessna Cardinal Golf, India Lima Golf in the Dragon Corridor. We're just about to pass over Tower of Ra, northbound at 11.5, India Lima Golf. That's it, across the Grand Canyon.
That was beautiful. Well worth it. It's still beautiful over there.
Yeah, that's Marble Canyon, and then Monument Valley's in there, and then that's where we're going.
Wow.
Ça, c'est les montagnes, puis là, on fait le tour de l'autre jour.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, but I think it's pretty high up. But oh, just butter smooth.
Yeah, this is beautiful.
You know, we should check our SAT levels, because we're at 11.5, but we're not on O2. Yeah, I reset a timer. I can reach it. Because we've been up over 10 for 28 minutes.
My eyes aren't affected yet.
No.
87, 74.
97. We could do that. 85. That's low, I know.
Yeah.
But,
How much longer are we at this altitude?
10 minutes?
Oh.
Yeah.
Est-ce que je mets de oxygen?
Nah. baby one. That's the cloud.
Where's that sacred place you're saying?
It'll be to your right. That doesn't show. There's Marble Canyon down here. Okay, so we don't need 11.5 anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down to 95.
Tuba City area traffic, medevac to Lotus 515 Tango Whiskey's at 13,000 feet, 20 miles to the southeast of the field. Coming in on a 45, midfield, left downwind, runway 15, Tuba City.
Tuba Hoodoo. Grand Canyon traffic, Cessna Cardinal, Gulf Indy Lima Gulf at the north end of the Dragon Corridor. We're just coming up to Saddle Mountain and we'll be exiting into Marble Canyon. Cessna Cardinal, Gulf Indy Lima Gulf. Yeah, right out your window. That whole corner is the sacred spot.
Cool.
Wow.
No kidding.
Jeez.
Holy.
Hey, I'm glad the 360 is recording this.
Wow.
Oh, this is the Marble Canyon.
This here?
Yeah, we're turning in,
Wow.
I don't know, 1 minute, 30 seconds.
When there's a storm raging in your soul, you gotta thank God that you're still growing old. If them demons you're fighting won't go away, drop on your knees and pray. Life can get hard sometimes, I know. You gotta get up and walk the straight and narrow. When they're chasing you down with an old bloodhound and you're running through the fields for your life, gotta get up, son, I know they're gunning for you. Don't let the thoughts of yesterday crowd out the visions of today. Don't let your past define your name. We will all be judged the same someday. Life can get hard sometimes, I know. You gotta get up and walk the straight and narrow when they're chasing you down.